Okay, we have question 21 here on paper 1 for IGCSE from 2023. And it says the diagram shows a cross section of a circular water pipe. It says OABC is a sector of a circle with center O, and the shaded region in the diagram represents the water flowing in the pipe. The water flows at a rate of 14 centimeters per second in the pipe. Work out the volume of water that has flowed through the pipe in 3 minutes, giving your answer in centimeters cubed. So I've drawn a little sketch here representing what's happening, because I think for some people it's hard to visualize what's going on here. So there's my pipe. Okay, so that's the pipe. And what's happening is the water, there's just a trickle in the bottom of the pipe flowing along like that. And what's happening is that's actually making a prism. Okay, so this water is making the shape of a prism. And the volume of a prism is equal to the area of its cross-section times the length. So first of all, let's think about the length that we've got here. Now, it's flowing at 14 centimeters per second. So in 1 minute, it will have traveled a length of 14 times 60. And in 3 minutes, it'll be 14 times 60 times 3. So the length of water that's kind of flowed through the pipe in the 3 minutes is going to be 2,520 centimeters. So that's the amount of centimeters of water that's passed through in the 3 minutes. Okay. So now all we need to do is work out the area of this segment and times it by that answer. And that's going to be our answer. So the area of a segment is equal to the area of a sector minus the triangle. Okay. Because when we do that, we're left with sector minus triangle equals segment. And that's what we want here. So let's look at the sector. It's an angle of 72 degrees. So it's 72 over 360 times by pi times by 4.8 squared. Minus, you're going to use the formula half AB sine C. So half times 4.8 squared times by sine of 72. Okay, so that gives us now 3.5198 when we work that out. Okay, so therefore the volume is going to be 3.5198 times by 2520 that we found up here. So the volume of water flowing through the pipe, correct to 3 significant figures, is going to be 8870 centimeters cubed, and that is correct to 3 significant figures. I hope you found that helpful. The key to that question was visualizing that this is in fact a cylinder. That was the tricky part there, I think. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. I'll see you in the next video.